Today we will be looking into the completed demonstration of the ilifeT20's self-emptying robotic vacuum cleaner. Let us see what we get into the package content. A self-emptying docking station, 2 into 3.5 liter disposable dust pack, a 2-in-1 dust and water tank, an extra hair filter, 2 mopping clothes and a mopping bay, 2 side brushes, a cleaning tool and a user manual. Now let's see how to learn to maintain the robot. There are 3 cold sensors on the right center and a left to take a tissue or white cloth and wipe them if there is any dust. This is a dust side brush. Hold it, pull it out. Sometimes hair gets tangled here, so clean it and put it back. This in-house wheel, it can also be cleaned easily if there are any hair or particles stuck in it. To remove the roller brush cover, like this is a washable, but make sure before reusing it should be amply dry. And this is the 2-in-1 floating roller brush. Clean it with a cleaning tool if there is any dust or hair tangle in it. The wheels like this proceed. Now with the dust tank cleaning process for mopping, open the lid and pour the clean water. Don't use any disinfectant like Dettol or Lysol. Here you can see a hyper filter. Tap it twice on the floor to clean it. This is sponge filter. They are non-washable. You have to replace them within 3 to 4 months. Open the dust tank and use a cleaning fuel to clean it. Avoid using any water during this process. This is a mopping cloth attached to the base with a Velcro and it is washable and take out the dust from the self-emptying docking station after 70 days. After replacing it with a different dust bag, while replacing the dust bag, make sure you're replacing it properly. Ensure that the charging dock is not surrounded by any object within 1 to 2 feet of it. Charging the robot 8 to 9 hours for the first time to maximize the battery life. Connecting the iLife robot to the iLife Clean app. Now click on the Add Device, turn on Bluetooth and select iLife Clean Connect for your Wi-Fi and make sure it should be a 2.4 GHz network. Turn on the robot, pressing the power and home button simultaneously for 5 seconds until you hear start bearing the Wi-Fi confirm. Wi-Fi is blinking. Next, go to connect smart Wi-Fi. Network T20 is connected. This is the interface. Here you see the map. Customize your home cleaning for different ways. Smart cleaning, select it to the room zone cleaning and way to sweep. Tap on the map edit and create a blue square for the mop restricted area and a red square for the no zone area for the robot to edit the map. Click on the map custom, edit here. You can merge, split and name the room. Click on the merge and select the room to be merged. Once you are done, click on merge again. To split the area, select the room to be split and click on the split to save. You can name the room, select your choice and confirm for customized cleaning. You can select the frequency of cleaning, water level and suction power for each room. Click on setting timer for schedule cleaning. Select the time and the days and customize your cleaning preference for every day and each room. Room manage. Here you can save up to 5 different maps. Record here. You can check the detailed cleaning history of the robot. Voice and volume. Here you can control the voice of the robot and also change the language. Switch to the disturb, turn it on. If you don't want the robot to clean at a specific time, manual to control the robot. Manually consumables management to check and maintain the part of the robot. Once they get below 20%, replace the parts. Turn on Seek Robot if looking for the machine to find the robot. Switch on the Auto Boost feature for carpet cleaning. Breakpoint, continuous scanning. Robot stop cleaning while battery is low, gets back to the charging station and continue after fully charged. Turn on and white top option For efficient cleaning, to connect with the Google Home and Amazon Alexa, click on the button or check it the link in the description.